Top-rated Bay Area roofing in Union City. The roof is one of the most important parts of your house. It protects you from the bad weather and keeps you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. If your roof is not in good condition, it can be a very expensive repair. A new roof can cost thousands of dollars, so it is important to make sure that your roof is in good condition. The best way to do this is to have it inspected by a professional roofing contractor. They will be able to tell you if your roof needs to be repaired or replaced. In addition, they can also give you an estimate of the cost of the repairs. If you live in Bay Area, there are many reputable and reliable roofing contractors that you can choose from. Any good construction company will tell you that the best time to consult them about your roof is before there's a problem. That way, they can help you select the right materials and get an accurate estimate of what it will cost to repair or replace your existing roof. But how do you know if it's time for a new roof? Here are a few signs to watch out for. Your roof is more than 20 years old. Most shingles have a lifespan of 20 to 25 years, so if your roof is nearing that age, it may be time to start thinking about replacement. You're seeing cracks or leaks in your ceiling. This is a sure sign that water is getting into your home, and it's only going to get worse if you don't take action. Your energy bills are rising. If your attic is poorly insulated, heat or cool air can escape through the roof, resulting in higher energy bills. A new roof can help solve this problem. Your shingles are curling or missing. This is usually a sign that the shingles are past their prime and need to be replaced. If you're noticing any of these problems, it's time to give a construction company a call. They'll be able to assess the condition of your roof and help you make a decision about whether repair or replacement is the best option. And when it comes time to make a decision, you can rest assured knowing that you're working with a quality, reliable, and trustworthy company. Construction remodeling in Bay Area is one of the great choice. We are located in Hayward, but we also serve other cities around Bay Area like Union City. Construction remodeling is a process that allows you to change the design and style of your home according to your budget. We respect your design and always work within your budget. We understand that everyone's needs are different, so we offer a wide range of services to meet your specific goals. Whether you're looking for a complete overhaul or just a few minor changes, our team of experts can help you achieve the results you're after. Contact us today to learn more about our services or to schedule a free estimate. We look forward to meeting you soon.